on the rock pile. Let's talk about where we're at now at this job in Del Mar. We have got a lot of things done. We got our footing poured and filled up with concrete with our rebar uprights. So let's take a walk and check it out. This one right here is going to be a bench rock. This is sort of the outer edge of it, and it's going to go around that way, and then those are epoxy steel locations, so this will be a place that'll be sort of a boxy square-ish seat. I've also got two stones that I'm going to have here that'll hang out over the pool that will be sort of flat. This one will be up high enough to where it's sort of a bench-ish thing, and that one will drop down so you can actually walk through and transition across over this section. Be rocks and stuff around this, as long as a waterfall pathway going down into the pool. We've got our slide footings all poured, and we started shaping that out. I'll walk over there in a second. You can see here the grotto down there, sort of. I know it's a little hard with the shadows, but we'll walk over there and check that out a little bit. So that's been epoxied into the floor, and then we've basically got all the shapes we're going to do with that. The section over here is going to have some rock shapes, bubbles if you will, poured up with the concrete footings and then shaped out. And then here is the rock trough, slide trough as it were. We have our footings in there, and we just do our rebar uprights. Then you do your ribs, those sweeping sort of half pipe curl ribs. Those are 5 foot. I bend those with my knee. And then you get 2 pieces of rebar, sort of like the bonding wire, as they call it on the swimming pool. That's also some 3/8 inch. So you have 2 of those. And then, as you can see right here, then these uprights, you can actually bend them all the way over and then back down. And that just really locks this whole support perimeter of the slide in really, really good. Started shaping this out yesterday. You can see where I do bends, and the bends are at angles, and then I'll attach a piece of steel that way. You can also establish the steel going ahead of time, like this piece here, and then you get the rebar bent to match it. But you need to have some of those guide pieces, if you will, to give the feature a natural, not boxy look. It's so common to see boxy projects out there. This will be a sort of little platform. There's going to be steps going up around it to get up to here, and then you step up to here, and then here you can see there's a little kick up, and that's where the pipes will go in there, aimed in with the 45 elbows on there. These are all going to be sort of rock, bouldery kind of things on the outer perimeter, outer sides, and that'll help disguise, if you will, the slide start that we have right here. So let's walk down and we'll look at the grotto. We have places here, the green dots. Those are going to be filled up with rebar and epoxy, establishing different kinds of rocks here and there, and then as well as a big one over here in the back, as you can sort of see. I don't know if you can tell with the shadowing and stuff, but this right here kind of funnels towards a narrower point. So this will be a nice big area for the water to drop and then work its way around. There'll be places probably to sit up at some sitting rocks and stuff there too as well. And then of course you have the big spaces underneath there with that awesome bench that goes along the whole back wall there too, and that's going to be really, really cool. Gonna put some windows, let some light in, and some venting. Got some air to go in there. These can get very humid and they're kind of stuffy, so we'll put some windows in the back, probably one over there and one over here somewhere, probably right there, to allow for light to come in and also to let the air move and get around in there. So a lot of holes still need to be filled in with the rebar, all those green dots, and we're going to get those uprights going today. We're just coming over or back to the job site after a good little rain, so there's a little bit of puddling going on here and there. So anyways, very good to see you. Hope you're having a good day today. Remember to be thankful and forgiving with every moment of your day. If you can do that, you're going to be a happier person. So Get that dialed in. You're going to be awesome, and you're going to be a blessing to the world. Also, if you want to find out how we do this stuff, you can go to davehenderson.podia, P-O-D-I-A, davehenderson.podia.com. Got some free stuff there you can download. And then if you want to read my blogs and check out links to the other stuff out there, platforms, my YouTube channel, you can try www.daverhenderson.com. So thanks so much for watching. Until then, make it a great day no matter what, and be a blessing to those who cross paths with. See if you can make them smile and laugh, and if at every opportunity, try and show them your smile, and make the world a better place. All right, so until next time, we will see you on the rock pile. Mr. Dave checking out. Have a good one. Bye.